Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Log In. Today I'm here with another brand new video to show you guys how you can log in into your Starling Bank account. First of all, just go into any web browser that you are using, like I already did Google, and go into its search bar and just type for Starling Bank Login and hit enter. After doing so, many results will pop up on your screen. Click on the first result that pops up. After doing so, it will take you to the official website of Starling Connect. And here you can see there is a button for login on the right side of your screen. Just click on login. After doing so, a new interface will pop up on your screen where you need to input your account number and phone number in order to log into your Starling app. So guys, input your correct account number and also your phone number. You can choose the phone number from where you are from this button right here. And after inputting in correct account number and phone number, click on login with Starling app and then you'll be logged in into your Starling Bank account. So guys, this was for this video. That's how you log in into your Starling Connect bank account. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.